Thank you.
At Harwell Square, and the streets are scurrying with rodent revelers gathered for Mousy Zoogether Day Parade. Passing behind me aboard the ship is the world-famous Street Rats, breakdancing to their hit song, Get Your Squeak On. And Rory, the crowd is going feral. Just listen.
Not stampede to the doors on the left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Clap your paws. Soldiers, I want to hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2.
It's Zoogether Day, featuring special live performances from across Zootopia and unforgettable concert finale from superstar with their host, me, Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up, our guest. The slot.
Me?
Now, whatever it is, come on up. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now, your job, press that big red button. Be responsible.
Which one?
That's really standard. Okay.
Oh, this one.
No, careful. The catching one. Please don't mess with the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes.
Wow! Great for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast.
Miss Howard? Are you okay?
Need you to fill in for us.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay! Oh, Tundra Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashwell!
Kozlov.
Kozlov.
Predator, prey. Nice dancings. Balance of nature. Together strong like mother.
Oh, special effects!
Why snowflakes on fire?
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea!
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that bug. Partner, you want to grab a leg?
Detectives Hobbs and Wilde investigating the
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter to go through and
The marsh is dried up. Why Sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you out. Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything. Okay. Hey, bub.
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 my face.
Where's your next clubhouser?
Little rotation.
Time to make like a tree, man.
Mark,
What?
let's move on.
Happy Zoogether Day from the Shrimp It's your girl, Fruit. In Little Rotation, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference.
So cute.
We're gonna get iced.
I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy, next is the concert.
We're in pursuit.
Zootopia! It's this, you party animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, move you big buffalo. Oh, gee, Pogo.
Clubhouse,
But you said you were going to a security conference.
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Hey! Want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
Oh, you think his head has a lot of flies? You should see it.
Wait! They're gonna ruin the finale! That's it! I got it! I know who's behind this! Hey! Grab on! Officer, beware of what?
Judy, Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection. And on a day all about connection. Oh, Miss Howler, Zoogether Day is ruined.
Really? Yeah!
The reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi! Hello, Bellwether.
Sheep and wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Sheep.
Case closed.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale.
Did someone say finale?
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, PIZ. Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
During the tree, make a wish upon a whisker.
As a team,
Here we go.
joining up as brother, sister.
Really?
On our train of thought. Don't forget to stack all your pearls and try.
Right now, relax your hands. Now go ahead and get your